Fawr Gunnéidjin. Ha fawr Gunnéidjin y ffac an y cwyne gyn ffynsin. Na rwn glas, na o'r radiw, na rwg ailtio, na orfwy a charstus. Agus as a lwy wachgain, yn i iawn gyda draste, chadyn a jaramat id miad na dwych, cha chain a meltach gach matin y sadio, cha hwy a oi ca chailtio na chara tratio. Súria hoddes deeply for hint na dúlach, as cascia fel an dúhe, for y ma her baso. Edinburgh's autumn. Edinburgh's autumn leaves the memory without poison. In her brown warmth, her dun streets, her russet welcome, her golden companionship. And in the swarthy homage which her winter now pays her, it won't neglect the massive foliage. It will not decry the beguilement of each more beautiful morning. It will not rue lost youth in her sapped twilight. It will absolve feeble light from the guilt of December and wean the black showers from the udder of their deathly mother.